Alright, hope you guys seen this, but look at that. When I have this Dover traditional button, the lighting. Oh, sorry, it's the old one. And 1 second here. So there's your Dover traditional button. Focus. I wrote on this so I can make it look cool. It's the old one. You see, hey, come here. Where, Otis? Here, come here. Give me a kiss. He's a cute little boy. He's a cute little boy, he is. Do you want a chewy toy? He's a brave little boy. It's like 7 months old. You're so cute. Here, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, Otis. He's sniffy. Otis, give me a kiss. He loves giving licks. Plus, he loves laying onto people's legs. He's a brave little boy. Who's this doggy? He's a dog lover. It's like Mitchell. Here. Just let me upload this, then we can snuggle on the couch and play on my iPad downstairs, okay? Yes. You're so cute. He loves chewing things up. Chewbacca's. It was like 2019. So. Watch this. Turn on. And turns off. Alright. You guys enjoyed it. And that's it.